I'm here at the Foodies Festival at Cannon Hill Park in Birmingham. To enter you need a ticket, and on the day price they were around £19, so it's best to purchase them online and look out for discount codes. Inside the Foodies Festival there's a ton of delicious food and drinks you can purchase. There's live music, master cooking classes and much more for your family and friends to enjoy. Some stalls do give out free tasters, so make sure you check them out.
Yes, I will try foodie.
These coconut curry and spinach.
That's fine.
Lucy, lemon you want? Thank you. You want to try some, man? You like it?
I love some, thank you. Creamy feta, fresh feta, very nice. Yummy, softy, creamy feta.
I started turning it into a podcast called Fantasy Bakes, which contains, yes, the recipe for this cheesecake. I just can't stop giving you things. I can't stop giving you things, guys. So I'm using for this cheesecake the lovely 35% white cacao melt from our friends at Food Thoughts. Word from our sponsors, ladies and gentlemen. Girls gotta eat.
Right there, okay. You're the sweet lady, are you?
I'm everything. I'm a kids' food stall. So we've got mac and cheese coming, spaghetti bolognese.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's everything that for kiddies really. Balloons.
That's great.
Oh, lethal, yeah. So these are brilliant and they're dead cheap as well. Have a look, let's squeeze in, have a little look. We've got 2 blades in the set, so you've got your stainless as well. Coarse and fine, so if you want it a bit thicker, use that one. Parmesan cheese, fantastic. So keep a store of this in the fridge. You know, it's ready when you want it, it's ready to use. It stores for up to 3 months as well, hard cheese like that, so it's like a corkscrew. And when you spin it around, the magic happens, and that's how you make spiralised spuds.
It's amazing. Yeah, I needed one of those.
Is that hummus?
Yes, this is hummus. Raw hummus.
Raw?
Yes, because everything here is raw,
Raw,
and
yeah.
sprouted.
Wow.
Nothing here is cooked.
Sorry.
Not beans, bags for me.
No beans, no.
Who's that girl? She lives next door. I couldn't see, she leaves her clothes on the floor.
Wheel of Fortune. Oh. Stopping somewhere. Go on, yes, somebody. 24. We've got pastries.
Raw honey if you're interested.
Display on.
Those are their automatic pairing, so as you open the box, they're going to connect straight to your phone without any messing around on top.
Nah, cool.
It was just good for a deli bed.
Interesting.
God, you love it.
It's okay, I don't know. On the way.
Be that the lady will lean across and she goes in the guy's ear, and the guy will go, Bill, we get the bill really quickly because he's on a promise, right? So he wants to get out of there as fast as he can in case the mood changes. But I've been married for 22 years and we don't do that anymore. You know, and anyone who's in long term, it doesn't happen, does it? You got to eat. That's kind of what you do, and have a few bevies. So my version really of that is, so if I'm out with my wife Ali, like, you know, a bit of a nice night out, and I can see, you know, we've had a good night, so I think, I know just how to treat her. So I'll lean across the table and go, I tell you what, babe, it's just been such a good night. When we get home, I'll put the bins out and you can watch those reruns of Bake Off. That's romance.
So overall, I enjoyed my day here at the Foodies Festival. Definitely will be going again. If you're wondering what I got to eat, well, I had a bubble waffle, fresh juice, and a firewood pizza, and I will show you how it was made in the next video. Catch you guys soon. Peace.